Fundamental theorem of arithmetic. Every composite number can be expressed or factorized as a product of primes, and this factorization is unique, apart from the order in which the prime factors occur. So today we are going to learn what this theorem actually means. So every composite number can be expressed as a product of primes. For example, let us consider the number 36. So 36, if we divide by prime, since it's an even number, let's begin with 2. So if we divide by 2, next is 18. If we further divide by 2, we would get 9, and 9 is divisible by 3, and finally we get 3. So 36 as a product of primes will be equal to 2 into 2 into 3 into 3. So no matter if the order of these prime numbers are changed, let's say 2 into 3 into 3 into 2, or 3 into 3 into 2 into 2, or whatever the order may be, we will still get the answer as 36. Now let me take for example another number, 72. So 72, since it's an even number, I'll begin with 2. When I divide it by 2, I would get, so that's 36, and if I further divide it by 2, I would get 18 by 2 again, 9 by 3. So 72 as a product of primes is equal to 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 3. So you can see that both of the factorizations are unique. The product of primes is unique in both the situations. So this is what is a fundamental theorem of arithmetic.